Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to secure your Facebook profile. Here you can go and open your Facebook profile. After that, on the left and right side you can see different options. Click here on the top left corner. Now let's wait for a few seconds so that page is loading. After that, here you can see this one is the profile page. Click here, three dots, scroll down, make sure that you have turned off professional mode. So after that, here you can see this option, lock your profile, and then scroll down, click here, lock your profile. Okay, after that, here you can see we got notification that profile is locked. So this feature is very useful and helpful if you want to secure your Facebook profile, as nowadays we are using different AI tools so that people can take screenshots of your images and they can misuse. So thank you for watching video.